Hello student, today we are going to start our new topic, some important compound of group 15. In some important compound of group 15, first of all we discuss nitrogen and its compound. First is dinitrogen. Dinitrogen, it means N2. In between the N2 have triple bond. Therefore, it is non-metal with high electronegativity. How can we prepare the dinitrogen in laboratory? It is prepared by heating of aqueous solution of ammonium chloride and sodium nitrous NaNO2 and heated to form N2. During the preparation of the nitrogen, some amount of nitric oxide NaNHNO3 means nitric acid are also formed. These impurities can be removed by this gas, means dinitrogen pass through aqueous H2SO4. This aqueous H2SO4 adsorb NO and HNO3 to give pure oxygen. Dinitrogen also prepared by thermal decompositions of ammonium dichromate and also cupric oxide or bleaching powder. These are the chemical reactions of thermal decomposition of ammonium dichromate and also cupric chloride and bleaching powder. But when we want to form a dinitrogen, very pure dinitrogen can be prepared by sodium or barium azide. Azide is N3. It is allotropic form of the nitrogen. NaN3 heated to form N2 and also BaN3 whole twice heated to form N2. It is a very pure dinitrogen. Dinitrogen commercially prepared by air of fractional destination. By fractional destination, air have nitrogen as well as oxygen, but they have a very difference between the nitrogen and the very difference between the boiling point of the nitrogen and oxygen. The boiling point of nitrogen is 77.2 Kelvin, while boiling point of oxygen is 90 Kelvin. When in liquid form, they are heated first at 77.2 Kelvin. Nitrogen found by fractional distillation. Clear? There are the properties of the nitrogen. First is it is colorless or less tasteless and also non-toxic gas. It has two stable isotopes N14 and N15. It is very low soluble in water. They are slightly lighter than air. Its boiling point we have already read 77.2 Kelvin. It is neutral towards litmus. It means it is neither acid nor base. They combine with metal to form nitrides. Example, lithium, magnesium, aluminum combined with N2 to form lithium nitride, magnesium nitride, aluminum nitride. It is also combined with non-metal like N2 and for ammonia. This process known as Haber process. This process we discuss in the topic of ammonia. Later we discuss. Dinitrogen combine with oxygen to form nitric oxide, and dinitrogen to form nitrogen dioxide. And also they combine with calcium carbide CaC2 to form calcium cyanamide, right? Calcium cyanamide used in fertilizers. It is an important point. What is the use of the calcium cyanamide? Calcium cyanamide is used as a fertilizers. These are the uses of the uh, dinitrogens, right? Next we are going to our next topic. Our next topic is ammonia. Ammonia NH3. These are the structure of ammonia. Ammonia have 3 bond pair and 1 lone pair, and the geometry is tetrahedral geometry. But in the presence of 1 lone pair, it is pyramidal geometry, and bond angle is 107.8 degree, and also have sp3 hybridization. Preparation, it can be prepared by uh, urea, and also in laboratory it can be prepared by ammonium chloride react with sodium hydroxide, ammonium sulfate react with sodium hydroxide, or ammonium chloride react with calcium or sodium hydroxide, and on hydrolysis, metal nitride on hydrolysis, right? Ammonia can be manufactured by Haber process. In Haber process, nitrogen combined with hydrogen in the presence of iron catalyst and molybdenum. The molybdenum act as a promoters. What is the means of the promoters? Promoters are the substance which increase the power of catalyst. या कह सकते हैं, we can say that the enhance the power of the catalyst is called promoters. The molybdenum are act as a promoters at about 700 Kelvin and 200 atmospheric pressure. It is very exothermic, therefore use the low temperature. Properties, it is colorless gas with characteristic pungent smell. They have a unique smell. It is lighter than air. It is soluble in water to form ammonium hydroxide. They have lone pair, therefore act as a Lewis base. They have lone pair of electron, therefore act as a Lewis base. Ammonia combined with HCl to form NH4Cl and H2SO4 to form ammonium sulfate. They are formed complex. This is because act as a Lewis base, right? Why is act as a Lewis base? This is because they have lone pair of electron. Therefore, they have tendency to donate the pair of electron and act as a Lewis base. These are some common example of the formation of uh, complex, right? And now next, goes to the P block element 17. I think loss. Okay, thank you. Thank you.